Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to my Crypto Matic for today. Polygon. What is it going to do? We are going to make the price prediction and the technical analysis. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Now is the time to enter. Now is the time to make profits. We have 3 tiers. Choose what is the best for you. And of course, let's go right now to the price targets for Polygon. Right here, you can see that we have one insanely huge resistance level that we approached and we need to close above to be insanely bullish. This is the 0.93 in the weekly frame. If we close above the 0.93 in the weekly frame, that means the body of the candlestick has to close above this line right here. Then we are going to go all the way up to the 1.11 and maybe even the 1.3179. However, right now it seems that this resistance level will be a burden for now. We have gone insanely good over the past few weeks, 194% for Matic. Insane stuff right here. On the 4-hour frame though, you can see that we are facing a crazily huge resistance level, and this means that we could potentially fall down in the 4-hour frame and retrace a little bit. We also have a huge risk right here, the RSI, the commodity channel index. Okay, we have many risk metrics into an overbought, but in an impulsive wave you do not care so much about the overbought situation that you might be having. You care more about the price targets. Let's go a little bit to Matic against Bitcoin chart. You can see that right here we are approaching a very huge resistance level of the 0.40's 42.24. This is a huge resistance level because it is the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement after drawing the fib from the top right here, 25 December 2021 to the bottom on the 15 June, around there, 14 to 15 June 2022. And you can see right here that we are going insanely good. We have gone into an impulsive wave mode against Bitcoin chart, but at the end of the day, huge risk coming in and kicking off in the daily frame. You need to be extremely careful as of now. Of course, on the weekly frame, we have more room to grow as we do not have this huge resistance risk metrics, actually this huge overbought situation, I'm sorry about that. However, look at the commodity channel index. You need to be extremely careful as of now, okay, especially that Matic against USDT has gone to the targets that we mentioned. For the Matic against Bitcoin chart, I think that over the next few weeks, we are going to retest the 0.403758, so it doesn't look so crazily good. I really hope for the best though, but for me, we are going to correct a little bit and we are going to have a healthy correction to the downside. Now, for Matic against USDT chart that we care more about, 0.9315 is the huge resistance level that we have to close above. Actually better in the weekly frame, but also in the daily frame. If we can manage to close above in the daily frame, then this will be extremely good, and this will mean that Matic could be going all the way up higher. A nice plus 22% just today, right? This is insane. It is approaching the 1 USDT. However, right now, as it seems like it is finding a huge resistance, and I'm not quite sure about how easily we can make it above the 0.93. Anyway, I'm going to do something right here. I'm going to draw a fib from the bottom to the top to find major support levels for the short term. Okay, right here, there we go. And you can see that we are having one at the 0.83, okay? Secondly, at the 0.77, 0.72, and so on. We have some multiple layers of support level, with the best one being the 0.67. As you can see, the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement line. I really think that if Matic could be able to hold the 0.83, then we would be for sure go to the 1 USDT. However, right here, if we cannot manage to pull it off and we go further down, then I think that a further retracement will be coming in. And why I'm having more support than resistance levels? Why, for example, Matic, can it go even higher? Yes, it can. However, because we are in an ultimate resistance level right here, I prefer to give more support levels. Anyway, I will be talking though about the next resistance levels because Bitcoin might be getting, for example, to 23.4 to 23.5k USDT. This will help Matic to go even higher and potentially even going to the 1 USDT, right? So yeah, 1 USDT will be the next target, but we have first to close above the 0.9315. If you want to minimize the risk, then let Matic close above the 0.9308, 15, 13 around here. Okay, do not play with 1 cent. All right, but anyway, yeah, around this area we should be closing above. Then we go to the next price targets for Matic. Do not worry about anything. It is looking good. It is just that right now it is facing a huge resistance level due to the fact that it is a 20-day on the weekly frame, and of course it is also a huge resistance level for Matic as well due to the Fibonacci levels. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course use with many more videos. Bye.